front of you, grab the latch, and lift. Lift, lift, lift. We almost got it.
3504. Oh, pomegranates, the giant's coming back.
Now, one more great big lift. Hooray! Good work. Now let's get out of here.
Come back, Whitey! Oh, hurry there, Mickey. The giant's coming.
We have to say the magic words super fast. What are the right magic words? Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Say them again, only faster. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Bye-bye.
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Gee, thanks for helping us get away from the giant.
Ooh, looky here. Easter eggs and jelly beans.
Aw, those are for the Easter party. You got your invitation, didn't you, Pete?
Oh, I sure did, Mickey. I thought you forgot about me. But you didn't, 'cause you're my pal.
You betcha, pal.
You know, I'm glad you're leader of the clubhouse, Mickey. It's too much work for me.
Oh, look, we're almost home.
Woohoo! You found all 5 pieces, you did. The pieces of the clubhouse look a lot like Mickey Mouse. Number 1,
The pen,
number 2,
the shoe,
number 3,
the head,
number 4,
the ear,
and number 5.
the hand,
The hand.
the hand.
Now that we got the 5th piece, the handy glove balloon, where does it go? In number 5. Right you are.
We put the clubhouse back together.